On the customer-facing side, a lot of the work that I've done has been around building a virtual lab in Ravello based on the Nutanix Community Edition and our VM, Cumulus VX. And so we have a 3-node, 2-switch cluster that anybody can go and copy and run on their own Ravello account, or reach out to us and we can provide you access. And then beyond that, we've created Nutanix on a stick for a zero-touch provisioning script to install the software, license, and initial Nutanix configuration to get your entire cluster up and running with our new hyperconverged service. If you want to learn more about the solution, we have a hyperconverged infrastructure landing page, which provides information about our design guide, which is a multi-page configuration reference on how to build and monitor and how the features work. We have a lab with 3 Nutanix nodes in a cluster and 2 Cumulus Linux switches on Ravello that anybody can use. And we have a short form solution brief that'll give you a little bit of an overview on what the solution is and what our partnership looks like.